Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make this beautiful lovely butterfly sleeve. It's very easy to make. So before you make this, you need to know the length you want for your sleeve. So for this tutorial, I'll be using length 8, and to that 8 I'll add 2 inches to that, or 1.5 inch for folding allowance and for joining of the sleeve to your top. So this is the fabric I'll be using for this. Okay, so you measure the length of your sleeve, the length you want your sleeve to be. You add 2 inches or 1.5 inch seam allowance to it. Okay, so for this I'll be working with 8 plus 2 inches. I will have 10. So I'm going to measure 10 from the tip of this fabric like this. I'm going to take 10. Okay, and I'll add 2 inches to that. You can add 1.5 inch or 2 inches. So I'll measure 10 this way. So 10, and I'll fold into 2 like this. So I have 20. Unfold is 10, and then I'm going to measure another 10 from the tip here. I'll take 10 and I'll fold again. So I have 4 folds here. Okay, I have 4 folds here. So now I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so this is what I have after I've cut it out. So now I have 20 by 20 inches wide, 20 inches long. Okay, so I'll fold again, and I'm going to take the length of my sleeve, 8 plus 1.5 inch seam allowance, so I'll be marking 9.5. 8 inches, you add 1.5 inch seam allowance, 1 inch for folding of your sleeve, and ½ inch for joining of the sleeve to the top. So I'm marking 9.5 like this, and I'm going to connect these 3 points together. And I'll cut out. So next I'm going to press this down so that I'll get this line. So I've done that, and when I open it up I can see the middle there. I'll just use my ruler and chalk to connect them together like this. So just to get a vertical line there like this. Okay, so now from that middle you measure your armhole now. So you get the dress or top you are making, measure the round armhole and use it. So let's say this is an armhole. This is a kimono top though, but I'll measure around the armhole. What I have here, I'll divide it by 6.28. So I have 17.5 divided by 6.28. I have like 2.8 something. So but I'll be using 2.75 here because this is just a tutorial. So this is 2.75. okay, I'm going to mark 2.75 and I'll draw a straight line there this way. So from that straight line now, from that point I'll be marking 2.75 round just to create another small circle there, just to create another small circle on the middle. Okay, so you measure your armhole, divide it by 6.28. You divide your armhole by 6.28. So after marking my 2.75, I'm going to connect all the points together just to form a little circle. So this will be my armhole now, where I'll fix to the sleeve. So I'm going to cut it. I'll start by folding it in a little like this, and then make a notch, and I'm going to put my scissors inside and I'll start cutting. Okay, that is how you cut. I'll start tracing out the circle like this. So after cutting this to fix your sleeve, the larger parts will be on your shoulder. This small part I am cutting now will be on the armhole. This short part will be on the armhole, while the larger part will be on the armhole. Okay, so you have your armhole ready. Okay, so this here will be on your armhole, while here will be on the shoulder. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share this video, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.